Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We would like to present our database system for KICT Garden Management System, and we would like to create some of the table named team, member, project, production, progress, and also feedback. For the first thing, we need to make sure that there is no remaining table with the names of the table that we would like to create. So we need to drop all the table with the name of team, member, project, production, progress, and feedback. After that, we would like to create all the table that we have mentioned before. The first one is the member, and then the next is the table of team, and we continue to table project. The next is progress, and then production. Then the last is feedback. Next, we can exactly insert all the tuples that we need in the tables, and then we would like to try to describe each one of them. The first one is member. This table will list all the names of the members that want to join each one of the team that would like to do the project, and it has one primary key, which is member ID. Second is team. This table will list all the membership relation between the team ID and member ID, and this would become the primary key together. The third is project. This will list all the details of the project that has been registered to this management system, and it has two primary keys, which are project ID and also team ID together. The next is progress. It will list all the progress percentage of each one of the project. It has one primary key, which is progress ID. The next is production. This table will describe all the results from the project that has been done, and it has one primary key, which is project ID. The last is feedback. This table will store all of the comments, evaluation, and also the rating given by student to make the improvement for the next project. After creating all the attributes that needed on each of the table, we can exactly insert each one of the tuples to the table. We have inserted all the tuples to the table it belongs to. Ngek, susah amat ngomongnya. We have inserted each one of the tuple to the table it belongs to, and we have made sure all the list is with the data type for each one of the table. We also have observed each one of the primary key for each table so that no primary key is invalid for each one of these. The next, we will show you the data dictionary for all tables. For testing the database system, we have made 5 queries. Number 1, we will show all the team members and their team and the project details. You can see all members' name of the team that has the approved project by KICT office. Number 2, we will show the details of the project that has sold more than 100 number of goods with the profits of more than 500 ringgit in a year. There's only one project that fulfills the requirement of the second query. It has sold 250 goods, the profit 1,000 ringgit. Number 3, we will list all the staff or students joined with the number of projects in the year 2020. We can see the sum of projects registered by each member in this table. Number 4, list all projects whose cost is greater than the average cost and show by how much. Vertical garden is the only project that has cost is greater than the average cost, and it has the difference by 190 ringgit. Number 5, we will create a view for students that will show the project title, goods produced, profit, importance rate, and impact rate. This is the result of the view student that we have made before. This view only shows 2 projects that has been given feedback by the staff and student. We also want to show you that we can simply change or update the tuples information by using update. We will try to change the location for project P001A from Zone A to Zone F. Furthermore, this database allows students or the staff to change their membership or move to the other team. We can see that member M001 no longer in team 001 and he or she has moved to team 002. That's all about our KICT Garden Management System. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.